Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. In this video, we will teach you some lesser-known websites that will make you earn some cash. This website is for freelancers willing to do minimal jobs using only Microsoft Office. But this website pays well. So if you're interested in this money-making opportunity, stay tuned until the end of the video, where we will show you the complete step-by-step guide on registering an account. But before going further into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, leave a comment below. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. According to what we've heard, only a few people are aware of this method. You will not need to spend any money on this potential job because it's completely free. You just need a mobile phone or a computer with internet access to conduct this work. We only need to use Microsoft Word or any other similar programs. We're pretty sure you have that installed on your PC or smartphone. It is a rather unusual method, but believe us when it's straightforward, even for beginners with no prior expertise or special skills. Again, pay special attention because this is pretty comprehensive, but don't worry, it is not a complex process. The first thing you should do is go to this website called Hiresign.com. That's HRESINE.com. You may find many online jobs with a work-from-home setup on this website. Upon arriving on the website, you will immediately see how many work-from-home opportunities on the homepage. Now that you're excited about these endless opportunities, the next thing you should do is register an account. It is entirely free too. You don't have to pay anything to get started. And it is open to everyone from anywhere in the world. The pay is daily based on your output using the method of your choice. There are a variety of online tasks you may do to earn money online, such as typing, proofreading, answering surveys, graphic designing, making PowerPoint presentations, and arranging spreadsheets. There are a plethora of other ways to make money on this website. This video will show you how to save a significant amount of time, so we will share a job that requires less time but still pays pretty well. This job is proofreading. It states that the payment ranges from $5 to $10 per page of the document. You will only have to double-check the spelling and look for grammatical problems in many documents with this job. But you might be afraid because you have a poor command of the English language, right? Well, don't be concerned. It's no problem since you are not obligated to speak to anyone, and this position does not require any prior experience to. When you click this link, it will send you to a page where you can apply to work as an online virtual proofreader. As a bonus, we'll show you tips and tricks to make the job even more accessible at the end of this video. There are some free tools available online that can automate your work. That's cool, right? So make sure you stay until the end of the video to figure out what they are. Back to the website. We're going to show you how to create a completely free account. The registration process is complicated, so make sure you don't make any errors. You may see this application procedure by scrolling down on the homepage and finding the registration button. It will then bring you to the main application page. You can find the submission guidelines on this page, and if you go down further, you'll see this button that says Advance to Application. Simply click on the Apply Now button and follow the instructions. And then that will take you to the online application form. It can get a little tricky at this part. Feel free to dial back and re-watch the process so you don't miss anything important. Now, it's critical to understand that they will ask you a series of questions to which you'll need to respond correctly to be accepted and begin earning money. Again, don't worry, we'll take you through the entire process step by step. They ask you to log in with your first and last name, age, and email address. Then they ask you for your password and ask you to confirm it. The following section is under choosing your notice period. It is crucial, so make sure you select right away, because they will choose you within 24 hours if you do it that way. And once that happens, you can immediately begin working on the jobs listed on the website. So the position you're interested in is the following question. You should choose the proofreading job. Next is to select a country. Simply select your home country. Again, this is available worldwide, so you will not have trouble finding it. Finally, choose the freelancer as your current job status. This is crucial because the chances of them choosing you are higher when you're a freelancer. You also need to write a brief self-introduction. Don't worry, we will assist you in this too. You can write something along the lines of, "Hello, my name is... I'm extremely interested in applying for this proofreading position at HireSign.com, and I'm very open to obtaining other work offers." That's it. You don't have to write a novel. 2 to 3 sentences are more than enough for an introduction. After you've finished writing that, simply click on this box and the blue register button. You're now done. You should be accepted and be able to join HireSign.com within 24 hours, and you can begin receiving documents for you to proofread. We'll show you the actual job. You get a Microsoft Word document with several grammatical and spelling issues. However, Microsoft Word will automatically detect them for you. As you can see, there are colored underlines in several words and phrases. You can right-click and have them instantly corrected with a single button press. That's all there is to it. All you have to do now is read the entire document and look for colored underlines, then simply right-click on the errors to have them auto-corrected. That's something you can do over and over. This particular document has 2 sections, so they'll pay you $10 per page for this paper. That brings the total to $20. So they will pay you $20 to proofread a 2-page document. How easy is that? If you keep going at this pace, that's $200 for an hour's worth of work. This website is one of my favorites because they pay very competitive prices compared to other websites. It's a great deal at $10 per page. They also have flexible hours. You have complete control over how much or how little you work, and you can do it all from your own home. Your salary will depend on how much work you've done in a day. With just an internet connection and a mobile phone or PC, you can earn hundreds of dollars in a day. Now for the bonus. Let us now demonstrate another piece of software that can make your proofreading job much more manageable. Simply search in Google for Reverso Speller. It is a spelling checker app. It will assist you in checking for grammatical and spelling errors. And it is available online, so there is no software that you need to download. Simply copy and paste the content from the document you're working on into the text box. Then check everything. You can accomplish all of this with a single mouse click. What a simple concept, right? And that's something you can do over and over again. That's our video for today. We hope you liked it. Share with us your opinions about this website. Do you think it can be a stable source of income for many people? Tell them in the comment section below. We love to read about them. Join us again in Millionaire Mindset for another round of tips on achieving your financial freedom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.